Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a simple little product here that is Stabilo pencils, and you can get them probably singly somewhere, maybe like Blick. I got them in a pack of 3. I had one and couldn't find it, and I missed it because it's such a great tool. It's very water soluble. You can go on lots of different surfaces. Here I've just got my Daler Arani Art Creations sketchbook, and that's all done in Stabilo. So I just did a quick face. So I thought maybe I'd try another face just to kind of show you. It says it can go on lots of surfaces. It says paper, glass, plastic, metal. That way, you know, like if you're putting gesso over your painted piece, you can go on top of that kind of thing if you're doing collage with a face. So let's just go in with some eyebrows. And then make our eye shape here. And you can be sketchy about it, just if you're not sure where it's going. Give her some eyelashes. And then kind of coming down visually with our nose. And then some lips. It's very water reactive, so you can even just, I'm having a really light touch here. And then, you know, her chin kind of thing, just loosey-goosey with it. Then you can just decide where you want her to look. So if you want her to look this way, you could certainly use other media with this. I'm just doing this all with this just so you can see that you can. Graphite type of pen, you know, graphite drawing. So I just have a little number 4 here, which is some water. And then we can just go in, see how quickly that, just where you would put your shadows. Underneath there, just borrowing some of that pigment from there, and then into the lip, this, go down here in the neck where there would be shadow. Okay, whoop, that was heavy-handed. Spread some of that out. You can go in back on top and then see how bold that is if you're going right on the damp paper. Ears in there somewhere. Okay, you get the idea. Kind of messed up her eye over here a little bit, but just like that. And you can let it dry, and then you can go again on top of that again. So simple art tool. Fun to do some quick sketches. Hopefully that's helped you. You check that out. I have links below. Thank you so much for joining me today. under 10 minutes, you can just crank out something and feel like you created and relax a little bit. All right, thanks guys so much. Have a great day.